Find a variable, write an equation, and solve it. Okay? All right, now when you have a problem like this, when you're defining a variable, it's going to be very, very simple. It's just going to be a number, okay? Because that's what we're looking for. We're looking for this random number that they've thrown out there. Okay, so we're just going to put, when we define our variable, remember this is kind of going back to that 4-step process, define your variable. So we're looking for a number, so I'm going to say n equals a number. All right, and then it says write an equation. So the difference of a number and 25 is equal to negative 49. What will that look like? What's my equation going to look like? What do you got?
N minus 25 equals negative 49.
Nice job. So n minus 25 equals negative 49. Okay? So this is just translating the sentence, which is what we were working on. Okay? All right, so now we need to solve it. Okay? How are we going to solve this? Again, draw your line if you need to. If you've got to highlight your variable, do that. Okay? All right, Nick, what do you got?
Add negative 49.
Okay, is that on the same side as your variable?
No. Add negative
Okay, but instead of negative 25, we're just going to do the opposite. So we're just going to add 25. Okay, better though. Okay, so we're going to add, do the opposite of negative. We're going to add 25 to both sides. So those guys will cancel. I've got my variable equals. All right, same sign or different sign. So we subtract them. What do we get? Okay, 24. Is that your final answer? What do you have more, negatives or positives?
Negative 24.
So it should be a negative 24. If you've got more negatives, you have negatives left over. Okay. All right. And that's all we're going to do on this. It doesn't say anything about writing a sentence. So we're good. This will be our answer. Okay. All right. Does anybody have a question about how to define a variable here or anything? We're good? Okay. Last one we're going to look at. Okay. A domestic cat, so this is like your house cat. Domestic means house cat. Can run at a speed of 27.5 miles per hour when chasing a prey, so like a little mouse or something. Okay? A cheetah can run 42.5 miles per hour faster when chasing a prey. How fast can the cheetah go? Define a variable, write an equation, solve. Oh, and that should say write a complete sentence as well. All right, so first off, define a variable. What are we trying to find here? What's the question asking?
How fast can a cheetah run?
Okay, how fast a cheetah. So I'm going to put S. You can put any letter you want. I'm going to put speed of cheetah. Okay, speed of cheetah. Okay, does anybody have an equation that they want to try? Just to see if it's right? Is that hand up or is that a stretch? Okay, well, what do you guys think? Well, you guys gotta tell me. I'm not gonna give you the answer, I'll help you, but I'm not gonna give it to you. You gotta give me some thoughts. What are you gonna do with this? How do you find out how fast the cheetah's going? Nick?
27. No, I mean S. 27.5 plus.
You're pretty good. I didn't hear an equal sign in there though. If we're writing an equation. You're on the right track. You almost got it. What do you got?
27.5 plus 42.5 equals S.
There you go. You'd have that equal sign there, you'd have had it in, okay? So your speed is 27.5 plus 42.5, okay? The guys right here, I mean, this is the key right here. It says it's faster, so you add them up to figure out how fast he's gonna be. All right, yeah, you said it, you just didn't stick with it. All right, so now off to the side there, if we need to, 27.5 and 42.5. Right? So 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry your 1 up. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 2, 10. Carry your 1 up. And then 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. Again, drop your decimal straight down in. So S equals 70. If you put 0.0, that's fine, but you don't have to. Now, what would my final sentence here be? We need to write a complete sentence on a real world problem. So what would a good sentence here be?
The cheetah can run 70 miles per hour.
Beautiful. A cheetah can run 70 miles per hour. Okay, so again, those are the 4 steps: define a variable, write an equation, solve it, and then give me a sentence explaining what does your answer mean, okay? All right, does anybody have any questions for me over your notes? Okay, very good. That's where